Hi guys, today I thought I'd show you an unboxing of some trim tabs I've purchased off Arrowshark. I've always thought they're a nice set of trim tabs, but never actually took the plunge to buy them. So I've cheated a little bit. I couldn't wait, so I've kind of like opened them, but let's get the packaging they come in. That's it. So what you get, two lots of trim tabs. You've got 4 stainless steel nuts and bolts to attach them to your transom. These aren't the cheapest. I've used loads over the years, Aeromarine ones and so forth, but these, from a scale point of view, in my opinion, look really like the real thing. So there we go. So these are aluminium and they're split trim tabs, so you can adjust both sides. If you look at that, the detail on those are superb, absolutely superb. I think these cost me, I'm in the UK, so this cost me £55, and then I had an import duty on top of that, which was 13 quid, so 65 quid. As I said, they're not cheap, but I'm certainly one that believes, you know, you get what you pay for. So if you look at those, absolutely superb. They do them in 2 colours. I went for the black, and I think after seeing these I'm going to get myself another pair, because I've got a red boat as well. I'm going to get a red pair as well, but if you're thinking about buying a set for your boat, these are going on a 57-inch Apache, and what I'll do is, when I've installed them, I might actually do a video installing them actually, because I'm replacing my Aeromarine ones. So if you don't want to get it too blurred, those are Allen keys there. I believe you undo that to adjust them, tighten it back up again, and those are fully adjustable. But if you just look at the quality on those, absolutely superb. So there we go, just a quick unboxing. So if you're wondering about buying yourself some, do it. They're gorgeous, look at that. So thanks for watching. Press the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.